Around 828 meter and 2016.5 feet tall and 200 plus story Burj Khalifa located in downtown Dubai in the UAE is the tallest building in the world as per Guinness World Record, which is equal to a little over a half of a mile. Excluding the antenna of spire, the building is 1919 feet tall, which is still equivalent to almost six and half football fields stacked on the top of each other. It created a history by becoming the most attractive and tallest building in the world. Burj Khalifa is a symbol of aesthetic union of many cultures around the world. It is also a remarkable presence of Dubai's rapid transformation. According to the Imar's chairman, Mr. Muhammad Al Abar, it is the Arab world's tribute to the art and science of modern engineering. Burj Khalifa was renamed in honor of the President of Abu Dhabi, Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, for his crucial support in bailing out Dubai for its financial crisis. The tower was early known as Burj Dubai until its officially grand opening. The name change was a surprise for too many, but it was a gesture of gratitude. According to different architects and designers, the building's design serves as an inspiration and guidance for their projects. It is a model for consumer safety and evacuation procedure in high-rise structures. Originally, developers planned for a building to be a fully residential, which later on was changed into mixed-use structure. The tower offers luxurious residential and leisure facilities including swimming pools, lounges, health and wellness facilities, a public observation desk, and world highest fine dining restaurant. The Burj Khalifa is not the most expensive building in the world. The construction cost for the Burj Khalifa were reported to 1.5 billion US dollars. In comparison, the most construction costly title goes to Rawabi Abraj Al Bayt Tower in Saudi Arabia, which cost 15 billion US dollars. Other than that, there were 11 buildings across the globe that were more costly built as compared to Burj Al Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is ranked number one all three criteria for tall buildings of the Council of Tall Buildings and Arab Habitat. In comparison with the Pi 101 China that stands at 1667 feet tall and two Eiffel Towers on top of each other, the Burj Khalifa still taller from them. However, this is only one of the many world records Dubai's Burj Khalifa holds. It also holds the world record of tallest man-made structure in the world. It is the largest number of story building in the world. It holds highest occupied floor building in the world. It also holds highest outdoor observation desk in the world. It provides tallest service elevator in the world record for the highest insulation of an aluminum and glass faced. It has a world's highest swimming pool over 270 meters. The construction of Burj Khalifa was started in January 2004 and completed in January 2010. The tower becomes the world's tallest man-made structure just 1,325 days after digging work started in January 2004. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, UAE Vice President and Prime Minister of Ruler of Dubai, inaugurated the world's tallest tower on January 4, 2010 to accord with the 4th anniversary of the Consent Day as his rule of Dubai. Over 60 consultants, including 30 on-site contracting companies from around the world, were involved in the project. At the peak of construction, 12,000 professionals and skilled workers from more than 100 countries were on site every day who spent 22 million man-hours to build this mega project. The crowning feature of Burj Khalifa is its telescopic spire comprising more than 4,000 tons of structural steel, which can be seen from 95 kilometers away. The developers of Burj Khalifa was Emaar Property PJSC. Its architect and engineers were from Chicago-based SOM. The main contractor was South Korea's Samsung Corporation and the designer of Burj Khalifa was Adrian Smith. Burj Khalifa has designed with a wide-shaped three-ways floor geometry. The design is largely based on Samsung Tower Palace Tree, which currently stands at 73 story. In Y-shaped structural design, each leg of three tripods drop off at different points. Designing the Burj Khalifa, Smith and his team received incredible insights from the wind tunnel test that showed it would be better to move the orientation of one of the leg about 10 to 15 degrees in one direction to point more at wind. Two legs go up and one drop off. Burj Khalifa utilized a record-breaking 330,000 cubic meter of concrete, 39,000 tons of steel reinforcement, 103,000 square meter of glass, and 15,500 square meter of embossed stainless steel. The aluminum used in Burj Khalifa is equivalent to 5 A380 aircrafts. The high-performance exterior cladding system has designed to resist the UAE summer temperature. Around 26,000 glass panels have been used through many advanced processes. At the top of Burj Khalifa, observation desk on level 124, 125, and 148 must-see attraction and offer breathtaking views of the city and the surrounding Emirates. There are 900 residents, 37 floors of corporate suites, 160 rooms, and 144 suites of Armani Hotel are available. Top 4 floors have been reserved for communication and broadcasting. World-renowned designer Giorgio Armani personally designed the interior of Armani Hotel. Armani Hotel exclusively cover almost 10 to 11 floors of Burj Khalifa, especially the level 38 and 39 of the tower. 57 elevators and 8 escalators are available to meet the travel needs of the residents and visitors to the tower. The Burj Khalifa has been listed in third position in the world record with the fast-paced elevator. The visitor of Burj Khalifa can reach from level 1 to level 124 in just 60 seconds. The total weight of empty Burj Khalifa is approximately 500,000 tons. For the convenience of residents and visitors, Burj Khalifa has 3,000 car parking spaces on 2 basement levels. The tower's water system supplies an average of 250,000 gallons of water daily. This water is collected and drained in a separate piping system to a holding tank in the basement car park. The story of Burj Khalifa is a relation of overcoming the challenges in the early times when technology was not at its peak as compared to now. But the building made it through all the challenges and hold around 6 world records for its amazing features. The building has created history with unique architecture and commitment to innovation. Burj Khalifa is all about making a statement for Dubai as the best tourist spot and unforgettable experience for its visitors. It has now become a tourist hub and people travel to Dubai from all over the world just to have a glimpse of this attractive building.